Hello everyone. Today we have a question here which says 3 divided by 1 over 20 times 20. So we have something called PEMDAS, and the P basically stands for parentheses, or what others know as brackets. So that's brackets first. This E is for exponents, others like squares and square roots. The M stands for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and X for subtraction, and all follows an order from left to right respectively. So with this question, the division and multiplication have equal priority, so we solve from left to right. So with that, we have 3 divided by 1 over 20. We can rewrite that as 3 times 20. With division, what we know is when there is a division sign like this, you change it to multiplication and you reciprocate. So now when you reciprocate, you see that the 1 comes down and the 20 goes up as the numerator. That's the same thing I've done here. So this is equal to 60. Alright, so after that we have this last 20 here. So we just do 60 times 20, which gives us our final answer to be 1200. Yes, so that's how to solve it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye.